Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. We want to further our derivations on lens formula. In our previous video, we derived the lens or thin lens formula, which is 1 over f equals 1 by v minus 1 by u, right? Now in this video, we want to still derive one of the formulas, which is the formula for magnification. So we'll be doing that using same diagram we used in our previous video. So we want to derive in this video the formula for the magnification of a lens, of a thin lens. So still using our idea of similar triangles. So I'm going to compare triangle ABC. I'm going to compare it to triangle A prime, B prime, C, right? So if I do that, the height AB ratio A prime, B prime should be equivalent to what now? AC ratio A prime C, right? Now, if I do this, I want to name these things. All this AB. AB is the height of our object because this is our object. Remember, anything pointing up is positive, pointing down is negative. So AB is the height of our object, which is pointing up. So I'm going to have AB to be the height of our object, HO. Again, A prime B is the height of our image. You'll notice it is pointing down, which is where? Negative. So the height of our image is going to be negative, right? Now what is AC? AC is our object distance. So AC is our object distance, which is on which side? On the negative side. So AC is going to be negative U. So what else? A prime C is our image distance. A prime C is the image distance V, which is on the positive side. So it's going to be V. So I'm going to substitute these parameters here. So AB is HO over minus HI equals what now? AC is minus U over V. So I'm going to invert this equation. What I mean is I'm going to invert it, take HI up, take V up. So I would have, in this case, I would have minus HI divided by HO equals minus V divided by U. Now you will notice that negative can fizzle out, right? So this negative, or if you multiply through by minus 1, you would arrive at, you will notice that this negative would fizzle this. So you would then have HI over HO equals what now? V over U. So that if you recall from our definition for magnification, we said that the magnification of a lens is actually the ratio of height of image to the height of object. So it simply means that magnification M for a lens is going to be height of image over height of object, which is this, or magnification is going to be V over what? U, which is this. So we have two formulas for magnification. If you compare this to what we did in mirror, you notice that in mirror we said M is minus V over U, but in this case we're saying that M is V by U. So I believe this is really very clear to you. So we have been able to derive the formula for focal length. We've been able to derive our lens formula for magnification. So I believe this is very clear to you. Thanks for always watching. Please do well to hit the subscribe button. If you are not yet subscribed, like my videos, comment, and share with 10 of your friends so that they can also benefit. Thanks for watching Prime Concept.